Whew. Shit. A wreck?
Oh shit!
I ain't got the energy to kick it.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Just lay down or what?
Yeah, low side. Came around the corner, it just went.
Damn it, man.
You want to give it a kick?
Yeah, I'll kick it.
When I go down, I never have enough energy to start it.
No, man, I can't believe. I was behind them so I could hear their force.
Yeah,
strokes.
you couldn't hear me.
And then I pulled in, I looked back, and because usually there's sometimes I can see you when I come around the corner, I can look over and see you.
Yeah.
And I didn't see you, and so I took the next corner, and I was like, uh-oh.
Hope my knee's not bleeding, but we'll be all right. Kick it.
That's not the bad knee, is it?
It is a bad knee.
Is it?
That's the side that hit first. I told you I couldn't kick it. Fuck. Shit. Ah, fuck. Through the chain. I'm not surprised. It's about time those fucking sprockets gave out.
Alright, you ready?
Roll it forward. It's a neutral. That tensioner's fucked. We're on.
Oh, yeah.
This side gave out.
Look.
Yeah. I know.
Alright, here. I got a crescent wrench. You have some tool.
I know. Don't worry, the camera's still rolling, Tony. Alright, I got it snug.
Alright, you probably come back with it a little bit, huh?
A lot. If the chain popped off, a lot.
Yeah. Well, it looks like it might have just been that one side, too.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Kill the gas before I flood it. That thing destroyed this nut. God, these
Need to
boots.
loosen it over here.
Nah, just tighten it on this side.
Much better. I'm going to sit on it, that way you can see how much flex it's got on the back.
It's a lot better.
Alright.
A lot tighter than it was.
Hell yeah.
Might have to swap that nut out or put a stopper nut on it.
Yeah.
Pray to God it's not out of whack. Okay, try it again.
Hell yeah.
Almost the same spot, Tony.
Alright, at least we're figuring out where the bugs are.
Yeah.
You need a stopper nut, maybe with some Loctite on it.
Oh shit. You missed it. I clipped the shit out of a tree with both the handlebar and my knee.
You did what?
I clipped the tree with my knee and the handlebar. And I almost ate it. I was like, no, you're not going down.
Damn it, man.
Whew.
If I get going too fast or something, because I always try to make sure you're in sight. But
Yeah.
if I get going too fast,
Well, I know that when you realize I'm not. Oh, come help me punch it.
dude, I almost stalled right there too.
First time. I've stalled right here. Oh, don't do that.
This is where electric starts. Shit, let it go down to the bottom.
Do what?
Let's go and let it go on down. I got right up here and went, bro.
It's the first time I've had trouble with this spot.
All right.
Ugh.
Doing good though?
Yeah, I'm old and fat. I'm not used to this.
Me neither. Honestly, I might take two.
Need my handlebar.
Put the magic touch on it.
What?
I need to put the magic touch on it.
Yeah. My knee's not having it right now, man.
I got you.
Oh, fuck. Oh, I need the handlebar. That doesn't help.
Oh no, that's not a bit.
Fuck. There's gonna be a lot of bleeps. It's a neutral. Thank you, Tony.
My turn.
Oh, shit. What the fuck? Yeah.
it go down and try it again. Okay,
Nope.
out of your way.